Hello Dnation and welcome to the Hot Wheels Unbox and Review series. In today's episode we are going to be unboxing a set of 5 assorted 1/64th scale custom cars which are manufactured by Hot Wheels, and these are the 5 different diecast cars that piqued my interest and I grouped them together for today's episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels diecast cars come in the signature Hot Wheels cardbox blister packaging with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance these diecast cars look quite amazing and have a good build quality and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic which make them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width and weigh in at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their amazing color scheme and branding details and have free-rolling wheels and a lot more which make them functional and a premium collectible. So as you can see, these are the 5 different custom diecast cars that I grouped together for today's episode. So with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these diecast Hot Wheel cars. And let's begin with the custom 1953 Cadillac, which is from the Rod Squad series. While I love the lowrider stance, the amazing gloss blue paint job, the two-tone graphics and decals, and the chrome grille and wheels on this amazing diecast model, overall an eye-catcher and a stunner. And next up we have the custom 1971 El Camino, which is from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage series. And as you can see, this is a muscle car variant of this model with some stunning and amazing black flame graphics and decals that go with the custom metallic theme. An absolute stunner and overall an awesome diecast variant. And what we're looking at now is the 8th crate, which is from the Rod Squad series, and this is a classic diecast wagon style car that stands out with its metallic grey paint job with custom black and red decals with matching set of wheels, and I'm glad that I got this variant for my collection. Overall an amazing diecast replica. Next up is the Roger Dodger, which is from the Hot Wheels Art Car series, and off the bat I love the sleek and classy variant of this model with its glossy black paint job with its stunning gold steam graphics which makes this replica stand out from the rest. And the massive blowout engine on this model is the icing on the cake. A real elegant and amazing diecast replica car and one of my favorites so far. And finally we have the fastgassin, which is from the Hot Wheels Metro series. Well, this one is a unique and amazing diecast model of a truck with its stunning powder blue paint job and its one-off graphics and decals. And the chrome work on this one is a definite eye-catcher, and I'm glad I finally got this variant as I really love the massive bodywork, the custom paint, decals and the chrome on this one. Overall an amazing replica. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a big fan of Hot Wheels cars and I decided to go with this theme for this Hot Wheels episode. And this is just one of 12 episodes in this Hot Wheels series, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium diecast cars by Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's take a closer look and check out the bodywork and the functionality of these amazing diecast replicas, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast beauties in the description below. Well, let's go ahead and take a look. everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these Hot Wheels diecast models. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast cars on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was the primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought Tyco Toys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make scale models of their cars, allowing the use of original design blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have become popular with adult collectors for whom limited edition models are now being made available. And every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a special edition collector series as well. And for its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of their 4 billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000. It had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as taillights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheels cars that are featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these Hot Wheels cars are your favorite. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the Hot Wheels episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheels diecast cars coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.